Claudius Ptolemy was a Greek scholar and philosopher who lived in the 2nd century AD and is considered one of the greatest astronomers, geographers, and mathematicians in ancient history. His work in astronomy, geography, and mathematics deeply influenced scientific thought for centuries. Ptolemy was born around 100 AD in the city of Alexandria, in Roman Egypt. His full name was Claudius Ptolemaeus, but little is known about his personal life or early upbringing. It is believed that Ptolemy came from an educated background, giving him access to the libraries and scientific institutions in Alexandria, which was a major center of knowledge and culture at the time. Ptolemy lived in a multicultural environment where Greek, Roman, and Egyptian traditions intertwined. Alexandria was a hub of scientific learning, home to the famous Library of Alexandria, which housed vast collections of knowledge. Ptolemy is best known for his theory of the universe, which later became known as the Ptolemaic system. In this model, the Earth was considered the center of the universe, and all planets and the Sun revolve around it in circular orbits. This geocentric system was accepted in the Western world for over 1,000 years, until Nicholas Copernicus proved in the 16th century that the Sun was the center. His main astronomical work is the Almagest, a comprehensive astronomical treatise that outlines his theory of planetary motion. The Almagest was a foundational text in astronomy in the Islamic world and medieval Europe. In addition to his work in astronomy, Ptolemy was also a pioneer in geography. He authored a book called Geography, in which he provided a detailed description of the known world at that time. Ptolemy used a coordinate system to determine geographic locations on Earth, laying the foundation for modern geographic mapping. He created a map of the world that included Europe, Asia, and North Africa. Although his map had some inaccuracies, such as underestimating the size of the Atlantic Ocean, it was relatively accurate for the knowledge available at the time. Ptolemy was also a creative mathematician. He used mathematics to explain the motions of planets and stars, developing mathematical tools like trigonometric tables that helped scientists calculate the movements of celestial bodies. Ptolemy wrote about the science of optics and studied the laws of reflection and refraction. Although many of his ideas about light were not accurate, they laid the groundwork for the later development of optics. Ptolemy also delved into musical theory. He conducted studies on musical tones and their mathematical relationships, attempting to find mathematical ratios to measure musical scales. After his death, Ptolemy's ideas remained influential for over 1,400 years. The Ptolemaic system was the foundation of astronomical thought in both the Islamic world and Europe until the late Middle Ages. In the Islamic world, scholars took great interest in Ptolemy's writings, translating his works into Arabic and improving upon them. For example, the astronomer al-Battani made significant refinements to Ptolemy's theories. In Europe, Ptolemy's ideas in both astronomy and geography were central to scientific study until the Renaissance. Even after the Ptolemaic system was replaced by the Copernican model, his contributions to geography and mathematics remained highly significant.